When working with plugins for System Center and vCenter, HPE has really spent a lot of time and effort developing robust plugins into those environments. And we would even challenge you to look at other vendors' offerings. And again, we're talking about under the construct of vCenter or System Center, working in those tools. What we've done is we've added the necessary plugin support in both those tools for OneView. And this allows you to operate in System Center using that interface to ask for things from OneView, like the number of servers that might need to be deployed, the state of those servers, their health. Remember that in System Center, in vCenter specifically, the alerts that come back from OneView actually end up in vRealize, and you see them on the dashboard. You'll actually see those alerts come in without modifying that environment at all. You're just getting it natively from OneView. So those plugins allow us, in the construct of those tools, to operate the way the tool works. So in the case, again, in VMware, you right-click on a group of HPE servers. You can do Grow Cluster, which is a wizard that you fill out the appropriate values, and that thing lays out those compute nodes and ends up with ESX hosts joined in a cluster. In the case of System Center, it's all about consistent deployment of your Hyper-V systems. You want those things to be cookie-cutter deployed exactly the same. This reduces the problem in a data center of items, or I should say servers, being pushed out with different configurations over time. That's not tenable. You're not going to be able to support that. You don't want machines that have one version of a ROM, a different version of a Windows patch. That's not the way you can operate a data center. Everything needs to go out cookie-cutter the same. You do this by starting with templates. You do this with the tools inside a System Center to make sure that every Hyper-V host gets deployed exactly the same as the last one you deployed. That's the real advantage of using these kinds of plugins in these industry standard leading tools.